Hi guys, I'll be showing you how to make an origami drum. I already made the helmet already, like on my previous video. Now I'm making the drum. I'm gonna fold up and then fold. You want to make a square base and then a bird base or crane. Now put it diagonally in half and fold it in diagonally half again, and then open it and then squash fold it. Like that. You can do a different way if you know the square base. Now do the same on the other side. Yesterday I made this model. And the helmet I made that yesterday also made the helmet yesterday. I mean this model. You'll see what it will look like. Oh, now fold these corners, pedal fold these corners until it lines up with this into the center piece. I'll wait like 10 seconds until you get it all, and okay, it's 10 seconds already. Fold this up and then unfold and do the same on the other side. Unfold everything and then put this flap up and then like squash in, and we're making a bird. Now, can't really show you this really good, but this is what it will look like. If you don't know how to do it, you'll video how to make the bird base. Or you can type the crane base. But just do the bird base because it's free. Now do the same thing on the other side. Now, okay, now, make rabbit ears until it lines up into the middle. Do the same thing with all the other 3 parts. This is like you have to make a crane first. I don't have a tutorial for that. So fold this up and then close it back up. And then increase and then do the same on the other side. Well, no. Like wanna hold it until it's not really sharp like that, and then same on the other side but higher. like this. Now take this one and then like hold it diagonally like that, and then also like that, and then reverse fold it like that, and there's what it looks like. And then do it up, fold it up, and then do reverse fold, and then hold it down, and then do another reverse fold. Finished the tail of the dragon. Now do a reverse fold on the increase, and then reverse fold like that. And now it should be like this, that, and then fold it up, and then reverse fold it. Finish the head, and now we just need to make the wings. Now hold the wings down, lining up with that point, and then hold it. Now hold this tip down, and then hold it down to the crease that you see, and then fold it up so that you see two small triangles on the bottom. Do the same on the other side. Or finish the dragon.